This video will show you how to install your NETGEAR router using the Nighthawk app. First, you'll have to download the Nighthawk app from the Apple App Store or from the Google Play Store on your smartphone. Once downloaded, launch the app. Click on New System Setup and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll then need to reboot your modem. Plug in the Ethernet cord from your router to the modem, and then connect to the default network once fully booted up. The default Wi-Fi name and password can be found on your router. Now return to the app to continue the setup. You'll now be able to personalize the Wi-Fi network name and password. Now set up your security questions in case you need to recover your admin credentials later. Wait while the router updates the settings. If you chose to change the network name and password, you'll need to reconnect to the new network using those credentials to finish the setup. Now we'll check to make sure you're on the latest firmware. We recommend updating if there's an update available. You're all set up. Be sure to check out all the features the Nighthawk app has to offer. Visit netgear.com/support for additional setup details and the latest information on your router. Thanks for watching.